Hey friends, if you encounter Edge installer error 80 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to the reset settings tab, click on restore settings to the default value, select reset. The next solution is to update Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback and about Microsoft Edge. It will start checking for updates and update them to the latest version. The next one is to disable extensions. And how would you do that? Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, click on manage extensions, and then if any extension is present here, then uninstall it. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.